Remember now your Creator in the days of your youth. Now. Not tomorrow, not after, but now. Rejoice, O young men, in your youth, and let your heart cheer you in the days of your youth. Walk in the ways of your heart and in the sight of your eyes. But know that for all these things, God will bring you into judgment. And do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, that you may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. But how do we transform our life? By renewing our mind. Now, how do we renew our mind? By feeding our mind with God's Word, by feeding what connects us to God. Do you select what goes to your mind as you scroll through Instagram, through Facebook? Do not be a slave of sin.